Y'all, we have a tiny home. So I'm so excited today. As you can see me drinking and vibing. And we're about to place our tiny home. So I got to get these bricks set out. But I got one big main problem. As y'all can see, I never cleared the land. So I'm just buying stuff, not clearing stuff. So let's get this done. So right now, as you can see, I got my good handy dandy measuring tape. And we're about to just get everything measured out. So I used ChatGPT, and ChatGPT showed me on the size of my tiny shed, which is a 12 by 40 shed, and it's going vertical. If I'm wrong, y'all, tell me in the comments, because you see the way the street is, I'm putting a house long ways. So you see how much space I got, but I need like a few of them go a long ways. So as you can see, Chad told me to put out 5 by 3 cinder blocks. So the cinder blocks is to help me lift up the shed so I could put my pipes underneath, run the cord underneath, just give me a little basement room to work with my piping and anything like that. So basically, as you can see here, I didn't clear no land. This tree is in my way. I'm just like, girl, now this actually do need some clearing. And I'm just looking around. I'm just like, let me just keep on measuring. Let me just keep on measuring. And the thing is, when you do 5, now first I had them 3, 3, 3, 3. And I was like, this ain't stable enough. And my bricks don't match. So I'm just like, I need to get some shovels and stuff to move this mulch, because everything is very unleveled. As you can see, I'm kicking around on the grass. I'm just looking like, yeah, girl, you don't have to go get something, because this ain't gonna work. Okay, y'all, so while I was doing that, I need a rake, because I need to get some stuff up, because it's like weeds and roots all in the way. I should have been did this, but now we at Hardware Heights, whatever it's called, but we here. So I got me a rake after the girl talked me to death. So I probably got like 20 minutes to the dude pull up with the shed, y'all. Don't be a procrastinator like me, because I'm raking. I'm like, oh, this some serious shit right here. Serious. And I should have had help. But I'm a girl. We just gonna have to do it the best we can for what we got. So yeah. Now, the reason I'm raking, if I didn't say before, the moss and stuff, like, it's mostly a cemented ground, and the moss and stuff is like all in my way, so it's kind of making it a level. So I'm trying to make enough room so I can place the bricks in areas where it can be just straight on the cement, as you can see. So y'all just enjoy this video. If y'all got any questions about where I got the shed from, how much the shed costs, all y'all gonna see that in the next video. So until then, watch and enjoy me struggling while, as you can see, the struggle, I'll get this tiny home, because I'm looking up now, and I think he probably pulling up, and I gotta wrap this up. So enjoy. So as y'all can see, it's getting delivered, and I ain't gonna lie, I ain't think he was gonna get back there. And I'm trying to still pick stuff up, move it around. It's like, girl, he did what he did. Just go ahead on. Okay, so he was like, I even fixed the cinder blocks, and I was out there doing all that hard work. As you can see, he gonna sit it right on top of the cinder blocks. And two, just to let y'all know, the delivery comes with the initial payment. So if you within 50 delivery miles, they deliver it for free. So I love that. And it's either two ways you could do this shed. So thank God this was like a repo shed. So people already done work inside. So if you want to see the full tour, make sure you put part 2 in the bottom, because we're going to drop little episodes of these tiny home remodels. Okay. And then as you can see, here's the back of it. And I kept this a lot of space so I can have things in the back too.
We got an outdoor shower. An outdoor shower.
Okay.